Hi, it's Alana from Bako Art. I'm going to do a try a Dutch pour. I had all this paint left over from some scrapes, so I am using that up. So I will spread that out and get back to you. Okay, so I've decided to go with just some blues, and I might just pop a bit of that sea green in as well, I'm not sure. So I'm going with a Prussian Blue, a Phthalo Blue. This is a really light blue, it's called Blue Mist. I'm going to go with silver. I don't use silver in much, but I'm going to go with silver, and I might possibly just add a little bit of that. It's a deep sort of green called Deep Sea, so sea green. Okay, so let's go. I want to try and not blow them over, so I'm wondering if I need more paint when I do that. You know what I'm going to add? I'm going to add a touch of white. Close-up. There's a bit of a glare from the ring light, which I can't avoid, unfortunately, but you get the idea. So I'm really happy with these kind of nice soft edges around this side. I've got a lot of, without the glare, a lot of cells popping up. Again, this end, little clusters of cells in places, and I think that's because I have Aussie Floetrol in the white that I used. So that edge, not 100% happy with that, but I'm not sure how to fix it without breaking it. As I said, I liked this one, which had a bit more colour in the kind of petal shape. But anyway, there it is, and I shall see how it dries. See you soon. Okay, so here's the dried result. So really happy with how it dried. The only thing I'm not happy with is the base colour. It dried a little bit darker than I wanted it. So I've got some more of the blue base colour in here. I'm going to add some white to it and lighten it up and try and get it to the same colour as it was when it was wet in this one, that lighter blue. But everything else dried really nicely. The cells and lacing, the silver shines through in little spots there. So yeah, really happy with it. Would just like the background to be a little bit lighter. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Oh, just a little quick sneak peek. This will be one of my next ones, probably 2 videos away, so keep an eye out for that, and I will see you then. Bye.